what were the main reasons that pushed you to actually install a home elevator?
So for me, there were three reasons. The first one was that
What made you choose Cibes lift?
when I compared the screw-driven lift compared to the traction one.
We look at this space here in the middle of the stairs. What would have been the use if you didn't put an elevator, for example? Hello, Mr. Parth. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Same here.
Congratulations on this beautiful home. So here we come to look at your beautiful new Cibes lift that you recently installed. So can you tell me a little bit about what were the main reasons that pushed you to actually install a home elevator?
So for me, there were three reasons.
Yes.
The first one was that my parents are old, so they have difficulty climbing the stairs.
Yeah.
So I want them, like when they come visit, I want them to easily access their bedroom, and if they need something, they are easily able to come, like go up and down without anybody's help. That's the first thing. Second thing is that since with this villa layout, we already got some space to actually install the lift, and doing anything else there, like adding a cupboard or making the space empty, it's better to have elevator than those things. So, and the third reason is the future proofing aspect. So in future, unfortunately, if something happens where somebody has to use the wheelchair, it's
Yes.
really difficult sort of to use wheelchair to climb, go to the stairs.
That's right.
So it's better to have elevator than not have elevator.
I understand. So you have bedrooms at the ground floor?
No,
all
no
the
bedrooms. That's right.
All the bedrooms are
All the
upstairs.
bedrooms are upstairs.
I understand. Yeah, that's a common issue, especially if you need to have keep a normal life for whatever life brings us, and of course with your elderly parents, it's really upgrading their lifestyle and making their life a lot more easy on the with this kind of installation. So can you tell me a little bit about what made you choose Cibes lift or choosing the screw-driven technology?
Sure. So I will answer it in two parts. The first part was that I started looking at lifts as soon as I booked the home. I started looking at multiple companies out there and the tech behind the lift. One of the immediate thing that I realized that with the traction-based elevator, there always going to be a machine room, and that the space will be occupied with traction cables and weights and everything on one side, which will make the cabin size smaller.
That's right.
Right. That's the first thing. Second thing is when I compared the screw-driven lift compared to the traction one, what I realized that with the screw-driven lift, it's much safer, because even in any situation where in any unfortunate situation where the lift is malfunctioning, you cannot physically fall down, right?
That's right.
So all of that pushed me into direction of getting the screw-driven lift. From there on, it was quite easy. So I just searched online around about what are the best what are the companies that are building the best screw-driven lift.
Right.
And Cibes was the top of the results.
Oh, right. Thank you for sharing. Now, can you tell me a bit about the elevator you choose, the home lift you choose for this installation? I think it's a beautiful use of dead space in the middle of your staircase. Can you tell us more? Why did you choose this model and these specifications, maybe?
Sure. So this is the V90 Galaxy version. So we had three options, I believe. I think V70, V80, V90.
Right.
90 Galaxy is the one with the cabin.
Yes,
and even the Galaxy, what attracted me is this panel.
Yeah. Okay.
The COP plus this beautiful panel. So we choose this design because it was matching with the matching with the house's theme, and
very modern,
very modern and beautiful.
Yeah, exactly. So the Galaxy is actually the top of the line that you chose, right? With that control panel that is actually touchscreen, where you can play music. Do you have a favorite music you're playing?
Yeah. So we have one music track that we we have chosen.
Yes, I think it's the piano version.
Yeah.
That's right. So, can you tell us maybe a little bit about how did it go with the process of purchasing, whether with your sales consultant, and later on with the installation process?
Sure. So I started. At the start of the process, I approached the sales consultant over the WhatsApp,
Yeah. Okay.
and we talked. We discussed about different options of the lift. Then I visited the Cibes showroom in Dubai.
Okay.
And one of the great thing about the Cibes showroom is that you have the actual lift that you
Right.
can try on,
Right.
rather than just some brochures. So that
Yes.
was a really nice thing. So we tried V70 and I think V90 as well.
Right.
And from then on, it was more about choosing the design and everything.
Mhm.
And after everything was finalized, we signed the contract.
That's right. Wonderful. And during the installation, how did it go?
I think the installation went great. The installation, I think that the biggest advantage of the Cibes is there is no machine room or anything required. So there was no need for extensive, construction work or the civil work.
Right. So there was no little civil work, like for example, the need of a deep pit or machine room.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yeah, there was no need for the pit. There was no need to do any additional civil work. And I think one of the biggest advantage there is that the lift comes with its own shaft. So
Right.
I don't have to build something.
Yes.
And then the lift will be installed. So that is, because of that, the installation got completed in, I would say, around 2.5 weeks,
Mhm.
which I believe is much faster than if you want to install a traction-based elevator, because
Right.
that takes time.
Right. So, that's right. And also in terms of maintenance, because the technology is simpler, so we don't need to come to your house every month, which is also something that when it's a house versus an office, I would say it's a luxury to not have maybe technician coming every month inside your private space. Am I right?
Yeah, that is right. So, and also I think the reason being that the screw driven lift requires less maintenance, right? That's the first thing. And I think because there are not much moving part except the motor that is making the cabin go up and down.
That's right. And I noticed you chose it in a beautiful color with like almost full glass that makes it really airy and not like taking a lot of space. I mean, your staircase almost looked as if there were no elevator with all those glass, panoramic glass.
The glass shaft is quite beautiful, I would say, and it also gives you visibility inside the lift.
Yes. Oh, yes.
It is very useful for a situation when you want to see what is going on inside the
That's
lift.
right.
If by any chance somebody is stuck or anything,
Mhm.
it's much easier to figure out what is going on.
Actually, I noticed that you have a child lock on the door. Can you tell us more about it?
Oh yes. So we have a 3-year-old daughter, and
congratulations.
Thank you. And since we don't want her to ride the elevator alone, as she needs to be accompanied by adult.
Right.
So we decided that it's better to have child lock, and we asked Cibes about it, and Cibes had a wonderful solution where you can put the child lock there up so the child cannot reach it, and then you need to press that and the button in order to activate the lift.
Right. And there's a second layer actually on the control panel where we can also add a PIN code additionally.
Yes.
So it's really like here we can really ensure that your beautiful daughter is not going to be using the lift unattended.
Yeah.
Right.
I think it's a great feature to have.
We look at this space here in the middle of the stairs. What would have been the use if you didn't put an elevator, for example?
So I would say it would have stayed mostly empty because we cannot do anything else here.
That's right. I do agree that using this space for specifically an elevator that brings not only comfort for your elderly parents, but also can bring future proofing for many years to come, because your lift is here and it's going to be here 20 years from now.
That is excellent point. So one of the reason why I choose screw driven lift, because that since there are few moving parts,
Mhm.
the expected lifespan of the lift is quite high compared to traction-based lift.
And we also have direct operations in United Arab Emirates. We have showrooms in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. We have our own local team for the installation, but also for the maintenance, which means that whether it's 10 years from now or 20 years from now, Cibes Lift LLC, being a direct subsidiary, will still be here to service your lift, which is, I think, something that is very important, because after sales service is more important 5 years from now than one week from now. So that's one important point, indeed, to note. So I would like to thank you for your time and congratulate you on your beautiful house, and of course your Cibes V90 elevator in your middle of stairs. And I hope you have and you enjoy its use for many years to come. Thank you, Mr. Parth.
Thank you.